Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to more cleaning motivation. Today I'm going to show you guys my weekly, maybe even my bi-weekly kitchen cleaning routine. In my last video, I told you guys I wasn't sure if I was going to film this because I just wanted to get it done. It's been more than 2 weeks since I've done a semi-deep clean in my kitchen because of the holidays and we were on vacation. Today we're going to be resetting and cleaning the kitchen for the new year. I've just been showing you guys some before clips before we get started, and I know the camera doesn't pick up every little thing, but trust me, it was time for a deep clean. It's really not decorated right now because my last video I took down all of my Christmas decorations and I didn't redecorate the kitchen or our living room. So if you happen to miss that video, I will have it linked down below. I'm going to be working top to bottom in my kitchen today. I'm starting with the upper cabinets. I'm going to be wiping them down with a damp microfiber cloth. I just ran it under some warm water. The lower cabinets always need the most work because of spills and sticky fingers. If you are new to my channel and you've never seen my face before, hello, my name is Candis. I have 2 boys, ages 11 and 8, and my husband's in the military, so yes, we move around all the time. I love to make cleaning, organization, and home decor type videos, so if you love things like that, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you've been here before and you've seen my videos, please comment down below what you guys would like to see from me in 2025. Alright, so you guys saw me take the clean dishes out of the dishwasher and put dirty dishes in. Now I'm going to hand wash what's left in the sink that I don't like putting in the dishwasher. And before I hand wash any kind of dishes, I always spray it down with Lysol spray, scrub the sink, rinse it out, and then I fill it up with soapy water. fence when it comes to the Pink Stuff cleaner. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. I ran out of my regular stovetop cleaner, which is by Scrub Daddy, so I'm gonna be using the Pink Stuff today. This one dries down so fast, so what I did was take a soapy sponge and just scrubbed over the top of the Pink Stuff and then wiped it down with paper towels, and it worked. All right, now I'm just gonna throw some decorations on my countertop now that everything is clean. I'm gonna see how I like having my main utensils on the countertop. I've never been a fan of this because of dust and grease, and I just feel like it's kind of gross, but I feel like it's also super convenient having them up there, so we'll see how long this lasts. Again, I am not gonna keep my decorations like this. I just like having pretty things on my countertop but still also having space, so I'm just gonna throw some things up there for now, and with time I will change things out, but for now I'm just gonna use what I already have downstairs. Moving on to the floors, I'm gonna vacuum the kitchen really quick, and then I realized that I haven't used my robot vacuum slash mop in a while, so I'm going to turn that on later on. So I'm just going to be vacuuming this part right now, and then I'm going to move back to the sink because I almost forgot to scrub that out. I'm going to use some Lysol spray, scrub it out really good, and also clean and deodorize the drain. So my robot vacuum is by the brand Eufy, and it's actually mopping the floors and vacuuming the carpets, and it knows which one is which, so it's not getting your carpet all wet. It's super cool. I really love it. What I love about it is that it takes its time and covers every inch of my downstairs. In case you guys want to know more about the Eufy robot vacuum, I did do a collab with them a while back, and I went into detail with this vacuum. So I'll try to find that video and I'll link it down below. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got the motivation you were looking for. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.